In today's fast-paced digital landscape, efficiency and precision are the keys to success, but how do you measure what truly matters in your Jira workflows? Introducing SnapMetrics, your ultimate solution for tracking, analyzing, and optimizing team performance. With SnapMetrics, you can set metrics that align with your business goals, choose from predefined options, or create custom metrics tailored to your needs. Live tracking gives you real-time visibility into Jira issue activity, ensuring you stay informed at every step. Generate reports that provide deep insights, whether it's KPI analysis, workload distribution, or time tracking. SnapMetrics delivers precise, actionable data. Calendar integration allows you to select work schedules, define key metrics, and optimize workflows seamlessly. Never lose sight of past performance. Automatic data access retrieves historical information instantly, empowering teams with valuable insights from previous project phases. Track your team's performance effortlessly. Whether for individual contributors or entire teams, generate insightful reports to maximize efficiency and productivity. Ready to revolutionize the way you track success in Jira? SnapMetrics is now available on the Atlassian Marketplace. Welcome to SnapMetrics Real-Time Analytics for Jira. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to define a new metric and start tracking meaningful performance data directly inside Jira. Start by creating a new metric. Click on the Create Metric button to begin. Next, choose your metric type. SnapMetrics offers multiple types, such as time in status or time between events, depending on what you want to measure. Then, select a start event. This could be when an issue is created, enters a specific status, or when a field is updated. Now, choose your end event. For example, you might want to measure the time from issue creation to when it's resolved. Once your parameters are set, click Create to generate your new metric. Your new metric is now ready and visible on your dashboard. SnapMetrics allows you to create multiple metrics based on different workflows and goals. Want more control? You can select multiple statuses to measure how long issues stay in specific states. Finally, apply user or group-based filters to track performance by individuals or teams. You decide how detailed your metrics should be. SnapMetrics, real-time analytics available, now on Atlassian Marketplace. Welcome to SnapMetrics Real-Time Analytics. In this video, we'll show you how to generate a KPI report using your own custom-defined metrics. First, select the project or projects you want to analyze. Now, choose which metrics you'd like to include in your KPI report. SnapMetrics allows you to select from predefined options such as time to first response, resolution count, reopening count, and many more. Once your filters and metrics are selected, simply click Generate. Your KPI report will be created in just seconds. You'll now see a clean, detailed report with all your selected metrics. Quickly analyze performance across issues, including key timelines and linked data fields. Can't find the exact metric you're looking for? No problem. SnapMetrics lets you define new metrics directly from this report view. Give your new metric a name, choose the metric type, and set your desired start and end conditions. You can base metrics on status transitions, field updates, user actions, or linked issue behavior. It's flexible, fast, and tailored to your data. You can even define metrics based on linked issues. For example, measure how a parent issue's status is impacted by its related tasks or blockers. Once configured, your report updates to include this new custom metric, giving you deep insight into how parent and linked issues affect delivery timelines. With SnapMetrics Real-Time Analytics, KPI reporting is no longer just about numbers, it's about actionable insight. SnapMetrics Real-Time Analytics. Available now on Atlassian Marketplace. Welcome to SnapMetrics Real-Time Analytics for Jira. First, start by selecting the project you want to analyze. SnapMetrics lets you choose from any of your Jira projects to generate tailored history reports. Next, define your date range. You can set a custom period either between 2 dates within the last few days or beyond a specific time frame depending on what you need to monitor. Once your filters are set, click the Generate button. In just seconds, SnapMetrics compiles the data into a detailed report. Your issue history report is now ready. You'll see a comprehensive list of all relevant changes including who made them, when they occurred, and what was updated. You can also customize your report by adding changed columns. Choose exactly which change data you want to display for better insights. Need to enrich your report further? Use the Fields option to include additional fields like time and status, affected services, or custom Jira data. And that's it. Now you can view all status transitions, resolution updates, and other tracked changes all in one place with SnapMetrics Real-Time Analytics. SnapMetrics Real-Time Analytics available now on Atlassian Marketplace.